Wait for her to get off the bus. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's snowing and it's a blizzard warning. Like, it's so crazy out. It makes no sense at all for this to be like this. Like, all we want is nice days. And totally impossible. Totally impossible for them to do. And it's supposed to snow tomorrow. Hopefully this melts fast. Hopefully it doesn't like stay longer, but it's like, I don't know. This is crazy. I'm not a fan at this point. At this point, I can live in a volcano, honestly. It's so crazy. Like, look how it looks behind me, you guys. Like, I'm sure other places is getting like nice weather, and here we are with snow, like 40 inches of snow or more. I'm just kidding, not 40, but almost that. We'll just wait for Trinaya. I don't know what time the bus will be popping up or in. It's always different times depending on what kids they have to drop off at what stop. So this is crazy. This is coming down like this. Like, it's insane. I haven't even been in the house an hour and it's like crazy outside. I can literally see my breath. It's that cold. My nose is starting to run a little bit. It's freezing out here. Usually when it snows though, it's not that cold. But for some odd reason, it's very cold today with the snow. It's gonna be a mess everywhere. Everywhere. Literally everywhere. This is why I don't come outside much. Not until it's all the way hot, because this weather is so horrible. It just doesn't know what it's gonna do, when it's gonna do it, why it's gonna do it. It just does it. State of North Dakota for you. This is insane. I know the kids are over it too. I mean, I surely am. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Drives me crazy for things to be in my shoe. This may be taking a little longer today because of the snow, so it could be it too. Can't believe this. Look back there, you guys. This is crazy. Well, you got an update on what our weather is like today. So once Trinaya get back, we'll be back with something fun and interesting to do. She wants to do a video for the YouTube channel today after school, so we'll be figuring that out. So tune back in to us, subscribe to our channel, Thais Riley. Go look me up, Beloved Hair, Beloved Hair Care on Facebook. I am trying to get in the movement of taking more pictures. I've done so many different hairstyles that, you know, I'm just usually walk away and proud of my work and not take pictures. So I will be trying my best to upload more and more and more and more and more as I do hair. But yeah, press that bell. Like Trinaya says, subscribe to our channel.